Today I'm going to show you how to change the background color of your photo. So, in order to change the background color of the photo, we used to use the Photoshop. After coming up the AI, now we don't have to use the Photoshop, and the AI can easily change the background color of your photo. Let me show you. Okay, this is the photo which I have downloaded. When I open this photo, you will see that the background color of the photo is somewhat ash color. I want to remove this background color and change the background to white color. So how to do that? I don't have knowledge of the Photoshop. Now how can I remove? Even if I have a knowledge, it will take time to remove this photo background. Without having knowledge of the Photoshop, now you can easily remove or change the background color of your photo with the help of Copilot. How? Let me show you. I want to make this photo to passport size. For this I need to crop it. How you can crop? Right-click your mouse, click on Open with Photos and click on the Edit and crop the photo to the size as per your requirement. Now I have finished cropping and let me save it. Let me refresh it. It's not changing. If I refresh, it will change. Okay, now let me show you how to remove the background. In my case, I am going to change the background color of photo to white because I want to use as a passport photo. Click on the Start button and type Copilot. Here is the Copilot app. The Copilot app normally comes with Windows 11. If you don't have, you can install it from your Play Store. But in my case, I have already installed and I'll just open it. Okay, I just opened it. Now what you have to do is, just copy this image and paste it to Copilot app. Just press Ctrl V. Now you have to tell Copilot to what to do with this photo. Now I will tell Copilot to change the background color to white. Just type change the background color to white and just press Enter key in your keyboard. Now it's processing. It will take some time, but normally it will not take time more than 2 minutes. Now it's still processing. It says working on it. Now it's coming together. Hooray, it's finished processing. After it's finished changing the background color of the photo, it will display one download button here. Just click on the download button and just save it. Let me show the difference. Okay, this is the original photo. Okay, let me show into screen, and this is the AI edited photo. Check the difference. I think the AI has also made some color filter in his face. So this is how you can remove or change the background color of your photos and use as a password photo. Thank you very much, and if you found that this video very helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the like button below. Tashi Delik, and once again thank you very much.